If you've ever read something that ChatGPT wrote for you and you thought, this isn't bad, but it's not me. Or maybe you thought, wow, that sounds terrible. You're not alone. In today's episode, I want to share with you why ChatGPT is making you sound like a boring robot and how you can finally fix it and call in your brand voice. So first, I want to talk about where most people get it wrong, because I think if you can understand how you're using it incorrectly or why AI is feeling off when it writes for you, then you will understand how to do things better. The first thing that you might be doing is you're using prompts that are just too vague. Second, you're not giving chat a clear tone or any context. Finally, if your AI writing doesn't sound like you, it feels off, or worse, it's sounding corny and generic, it's probably because you're starting from the middle and not the beginning. If you want better outputs and if you want chat to save you gazillions of hours of time in client communication, marketing, and all the things, you need to teach it who you are.